What's going on, everyone? Stefan from FireAlarm.com here. FireAlarm.com is proud to announce our International Representative and Partnership Program. Fire and life safety is truly universal and as such requires all countries to work together in order to achieve a brighter and safer future. Some countries that have already joined our network include Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Indonesia, Canada, Germany, and more. If you have a job requiring fire and life safety work, FireAlarm.com can be directly involved every step of the way. We are ready to assist you with our team of engineers in order to supply you with whatever brand of system you need, the technical location of all devices, and more. Your job will be state-of-the-art right from the start. Based on your location in the world, we will supply you with the most optimal brand and technologies available to you and your company in the world. You will receive the latest news and technology from all of the major fire alarm brands and industry. Be the first to know about upcoming fire and life safety products directly from the manufacturers. At any time, you will have access to sales assistance and client support directly from FireAlarm.com. You will receive a personalized FireAlarm.com email address in order to use our brand name to further your sales and growth. Although we have some requirements to join, such as a monthly sale minimum, we are willing to work with you no matter what in order for you to further your sales and to help us in making the world safer. Contact us at FireAlarm.com to get started in becoming a part of our global network of international sales representatives, partners, and vendors today. The future of fire and life safety depends on our partnership and unity. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future FireAlarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.